It's an honor to welcome Mokshita Patil, an IPS officer who is women, especially of substance. Like when we see she's so beautiful, she's so presentable, and she is an IPS, a police officer. And I'm so thrilled to talk to her. And let's talk to her and explore her insights in her work and her work experience we'll discuss too. Welcome, Mokshita Patil.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Equally thrilled to be here.
Yeah. So it's just like we wanted to talk to you on my channel podcast, Krishna Talks. So I wanted to know, like being a woman IPS officer, how do you get into this field of public service? And can you brief your
Sure.
journey into it?
Sure.
Yeah.
So first of all, thank you for having me here. I grew up in Thane. My father retired as city engineer of the Thane Municipal Corporation. So थोड़ा सा घर में माहौल था government services का. And since childhood, I always showed interest in social work towards society, women's issues. Then I decided to do my graduation in sociology, and I did so from St. Xavier's College. It's in Mumbai. So I'm your essential commuting kind of a girl student, and I have seen that life also. Since then, I had decided to pursue civil services, that is the UPSC form, which we can take up after graduation.
True.
So, after graduation, I chose Marathi literature and sociology as my optionals, and side by side, I did my masters in from IGNOU. And I prepared for UPSC. I got selected into the IPS, and fortunately, I got allotted Maharashtra, which is my home cadre. So I decided to stick on. So that was the whole journey in short.
Yeah, I know. I saw your biodata. It was very rich and too much big profile. I had to read thrice and four times to understand. It's IPS, grade 8, grade 11, some training programs you have attended through and you have got that rank. So can you please explain me the rank and the hierarchy of...
Sure, yeah, would like so, because I think a lot of us are not aware of the professional life of an IAS officer or an IPS officer.
True.
What we mostly see in movies and serials is highly fantasized.
Correct.
Some of it is very, very funny even.
Yeah.
Say, for example, Singha, Maya Lady Singha. Real life policing doesn't work like that way.
Yeah.
So essentially, when you are selected, you go through a foundation course in Mussoorie. We have an academy called Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. वहाँ 3 महीने का foundational course we do with IAS officers, IPS officers and foreign service officers. So वहाँ पे you make friends from all parts of country and across all these 3 services. So अच्छा आप देखिए the demographics of these services, the probationers, they come from all strata of society, richer of the rich, poorest of the poor, so to say. I have friends that grew up in an orphanage. I have friends whose mother was a sweeper. So this is the beauty and the strength of this UPSC exam, that it includes you only on the basis of meritocracy. यहाँ पे just because you are a girl, nobody gives you extra marks. So वहाँ पे सब लोग अपने बलबूते पे आए हुए हैं. So that whole mahal is very different. I still remember those good days. And I would like to tell you that I met my husband also in Mussoorie. He was an IAS probationer and I was an IPS probationer. After this training, the IPS officers go to Hyderabad for an 11-month long training. वहाँ पे आपने शायद एक आध दो कुछ serials में देखा होगा. So वहाँ पे we are trained. Nobody is born a police officer or nobody is born an IAS officer. आपको एक लीडर बनाया जाता है. आपकी leadership qualities वहाँ पे निखारी जाती है. They teach you how to handle law and order situations, how to investigate. They teach you law. Physical में they teach you how to ride a horse, And even if the horse puts you down, घोड़े ने नीचे गिरा भी दिया, फिर भी they make you sit on the horse again and ride it, so that you are not afraid of anyone or anything.
Yeah.
Which is going to help us in real life. They teach you swimming. तो जिनको साइकिल भी नहीं आती थी, वैसे लोगों को भी 4-wheeler चलाना, 2-wheeler चलाना, अनआर्म्ड कॉम्बैट, कराटे, या फिर if it's just the 10 of us and you're facing a crowd of 100 people or 1000 people, what techniques you are going to use? इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में, क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में, ऑफिशियल प्रोसीडिंग्स के बारे में सिखाया जाता है. Then they try to give you exposure by taking you to various tours. There are various forces. अपने यहाँ पे मुंबई में शायद बच्चों को कम पता रहता है, तो आपके थ्रू मैं ये भी बताना चाहूँगी स्टूडेंट्स को, there is bright career in UPSC also, as well as there are so many centrally armed police forces, जैसे ITBP हो गई, that guards Indo-Tibetan border, SSB हो गई, that guards Indo-Nepal border, या CISF हो गई, which we basically see quickly we know from airports. Yeah, we see CRPF, BSF, which guards Indo-Pakistan border. वहाँ पे भी we have career chances. So we have army attachments, navy attachments, air force attachments. They take us to see various huge projects that the government is carrying. We get to meet various industrialists, dancers, artists. So they try to make a well-rounded personality out of you. ताकि आप किसी से भी बात करने जाओ, you know 2 bits about something, and then you can bring that back to your organization, your work, and enrich that scenario also. तो उस training के बाद we enter our fields, and your first posting is as an ASP, which is an assistant superintendent of police. Usually we know the IPS officers or the IS officers as district collectors, या फिर DM जिसको usually north में बोलते हैं, या फिर SP या कप्तान जिसको north में बोलते हैं, या यहाँ पे SP हो गया, SSP हो गया. Usually in Mumbai, people know the Mumbai police commissioners, Mumbai municipal commissioners, BMC commissioner, you know. So ये तो बहुत senior posts है, but this is where you start from essentially. Then you are additional SP. I was so in Jalgaon district. Then you are given charge of an entire district. So essentially you become police head of a district. All the district police force works under you. You're supposed to get all the crimes investigated. Law and order कुछ हुआ तो आपको संभालना है. You have to take care of other aspects such as the public police public relations, या फिर the public representatives relations. You have to curtail illegal activities from your district. If there is a VIP movement, you're supposed to take care of that. You have to do some developmental work. So these are people usually look forward to such independent purges. So I was SP in Warship. I was SP in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Gramin. I was SP Railways in the Sen district. And वहाँ से we came to Mumbai last year, where I am the commandant of the Group 8 battalion, which is located in Goregaon.
Okay.
So इसके आगे we become DIGs, then IGs, then ADGs, then DGs. And so as your seniority increases, the scale at which you are supposed to work at, the vision which you are supposed to have increases. And so goes on for other services also, जैसे कि IAS या foreign services.
Yeah. So, Mokshada, we very well know that, like, you know, specific region is meant for specific education. Specifically, like I can say, like in North, especially Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, kids know more about the young generations. They only know that either politics is a career or being into UPSC is a career. They keep doing their exams, you know, UPSC, SSC, that is Staff Selection Commission and all that. And in if we go to Rajasthan and Gujarat, most probably like CAs are coming out of there, you know. So how come in Maharashtra, being into Maharashtrian family, you came into UPSC, you chose UPSC as a career?
So Maharashtra has a brilliant tradition of producing very, very successful, very grounded bureaucrats that have given this nation's policies solid directions.
Yeah.
And coming from that tradition, that traditional context, it's always an inspiration to get into something that you really like.
Yeah.
So यहाँ पे मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि rather मुंबई में
हाँ.
colleges में या schools में people don't talk enough about civil services.
Yeah,
time.
that's the question.
So I want to tell through you to all the students that commute daily by trains and buses, which I used to do, that this is also a valid career option. You can put 2-3 years into the preparations. Yeah, फिर while undergrad also you can prepare for these exams.
Yeah.
Bit by bit, not completely. Say for example, so you have a proper degree to fall back on. You have some work experience also, and then you're jumping into the UPSC arena also. Also, I would like to say clearing UPSC or any one exam is not the end of the world.
Yeah.
It's just a beginning. So if you don't crack into one aspect, it doesn't mean that life is over.
Yeah.
There's so many other things to do.
Yeah.
Most of my batchmates in the IAS or IPS are engineers.
Yeah.
So there are lawyers, there are doctors, there are CAs also even. So जिसको इस life की या इस services की चाहत है, they are usually drawn towards these exams.
True.
In my batch, we were 48 of us Maharashtrian IAS, IPS and foreign services officers, which is a record in itself.
Very nice. And like, where is the training? Like, exactly, like any kind of coaching or kind of, because we don't have UPSC as a subject or a career.
Yeah, so there are yeah, it shouldn't be so, because it's not something that you teach.
Yeah.
It's something that you do for yourself. It's a competition. It's not an exam.
Correct.
जहाँ पे 35% पा लिए तो you are fast.
Correct.
You have to be better than the next guy. That's why maybe most of us are so competitive.
Yeah.
And we look at life as one big competition.
Yeah.
Jokes apart, you can prepare for yourself also. A lot of my friends are prepared for UPSC on their own also. या तो फिर ठाणे में there is a center called Chintaman Rao Deshmukh Institute, which is run by the TMC. There is a State Institute for Administrative Careers right at the CST. या तो पुणे में है महाराष्ट्र में, या तो usually people like to go to Delhi. I myself never went to Delhi for preparation. There are coaching classes there. I prepared for Marathi literature with Praveen Chauhan sir. I studied sociology all on my own. You can take some distance classes also nowadays. There are online coachings also. Coaching लो तो भी ठीक है, नहीं लो तो भी ठीक है. If you can manage the syllabus on your own, if you're disciplined enough, if you get your answers or essays checked by someone to know that you are on track in some way at least, I think it's a win-win situation.
Yeah. So when I was going through your biodata, I could see your linguistic, you have 6 to 7 languages in your bag, of like languages you know so much to speak about. So like, are you very well aware that you have to choose only UPSC as a career, or like, there was a choice, second plan?
See, my parents always encouraged me and my sister to do the best and be the best in whatever we do, whatever we choose to do, and take full responsibility of it.
Yeah.
तो गलती करो तो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लो, सही करो तो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लो, अकाउंटेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. सो आफ्टर 10th आई चोज ह्यूमैनिटीज. नहीं तो मेरे फैमिली में यूजुअली एवरीबडी गोज फॉर इंजीनियरिंग या डॉक्टर या उस तरीके से. My sister equally ziddi, she took architecture and not engineering. She and my father used to have so many verbal conflicts. Engineering ही करो, my father is an engineer. And she was like, नहीं, मुझे यही करना है architecture. Yeah. She is doing marvelous in her field. I landed here. तो मुझे लगता है, but हाँ, उम्र का भी एक होता है. When I was in college, one day I wanted to be a writer, next day I wanted to be a poet. Third day, I wanted to be a lawyer sometimes. I wanted to get into media. So when you're in that age, आपकी हसरतें और चाहतें बदलती भी रहती है. But when I came in my last year of graduation, I got more seriousness towards it. And I thought कि नहीं यही कर लेते, यही करना है.
अभी आपको और कुछ करने की इच्छा होती है after doing your IAS, like no?
No, I like studying generally. I like reading generally.
Yeah.
If given a chance, or if my kids are still very young, and balancing family and job is itself a beautiful puzzle in itself that I have to solve every day. So yeah, if not immediately, but in near future, I would like to study something more.
Yeah, because I see your biodata talking about your research work and so many like research and what do I say? Media.
I like research. I like studying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Acha. Now we will talk little about your work specifications, especially like when you were talking about Abinya to me and your pink mobile. Can you specify that?
Yeah, sure. So when I was SP Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, I wanted to do something for girls and women. मुझे ये लगता था the specific kind of crimes that are committed against women are because they are women. She is teased because she is a woman. She's inappropriately touched because she's a woman. She's whistled at because she's a girl. या तो she's beaten in an abusive marriage because she is a woman. So the socio-cultural position, location of a woman has always been precarious in our society. And since crime and police, we have to deal with these kinds of crimes also. मैंने थोड़ा सोचना चाहा, and I thought the root cause of all such violence is into the way men look at women. That ये तो बनी ही इसलिए है कि ताकि मैं इसको छेड़ पाऊं. ये बनी ही इसलिए है ताकि मैं उसका उपभोग ले सकूं या उसको भोग सकूं. And it's okay to do that, but it's not okay. So we decided to create a tailor-made program which we would take in schools and through various plays and games. We would try to get the children talking. Let's say, for example, we would show them shortly. I will tell you picture of a girl clad in salwar kurta and a girl clad in jeans. And we would ask the boys, who do you think is more likely to be teased? So the boys would say the girl in the jeans will be teased. But their classmates that are girls will say we wear salwar suit to the class. But on our way to the school, we are teased 2 times every day. So it's not so. You only do it. And it's not okay to tease somebody in this way. Because it becomes a crime when you enter into something without somebody's consent. Correct. It is not okay. Yeah, so we think that certain abilities are gender specific. Say, for example, only the boys have abilities to mend a machine. But I was so happy to see today in your program, there were so many girls that are engineers. And they can mend a machine. So we would give them a mixer का बर्तन जो खराब नीचे से थोड़ा हमने किया था, and we gave 1-2 minutes to each to a girl, each to a boy कि इसको दुरुस्त करो. And it seems everybody can mend it, and sometimes even a boy may not be able to do it, which is also okay. So these abilities are not gender specific. आपको वो सिखाया ही नहीं है तो आपको आएगा ही नहीं. और आपको ये बताया कि ये आपसे ना हो पाएगा तो आप कभी नहीं कर पाओगे उस चीज को. Then we would give them dough यानी आटा और बोलते थे रोटी बेलो. So it seems even boys can bell out perfectly circular roti. I myself cannot roll up a roti even now मैंने नहीं कभी सीखा. तो certain all these things are socially taught to you. And ये होते होते हम उनको बातों में discussions में ये बताने की कोशिश करते थे. It's not okay to not participate in household chores just because you're a boy or a husband or a father-in-law. घर सबका होता है. No work is big or small enough. And these things will potentially have long-lasting repercussions. True. Pink Mobile क्या था? It was basically a Maharashtra Police's initiatives that there will be certain assigned mobiles, that is assigned vehicles with assigned specific teams. जिनको कॉल आएगा तो they will reach the spot and investigate that crime that has been committed against a woman. Or if she complains about eve teasing, वो वहाँ पे तुरंत पहुंच जाएंगे. उनको और बाकी दूसरा कोई काम नहीं. They will do only this work and they will patrol around the schools and colleges during their जब स्कूल बढ़ता है छूटता है उस टाइम पे they will do the patrolling and make a presence felt. जिसको हम बोलते हैं पुलिस should be visible. Presence palpable होना चाहिए. So we try to create that. Yeah, it is still going. Not just where I work, but across Maharashtra, and so many districts are doing this work.
Acha.
Yeah.
So I read through your gender sensitization program, something you have taken. You have led that program. So, and you have been awarded many a times for your great work. You have done it very well with full precision and dedication, determination. You have proved yourself. So, what is that gender sensitization you were talking to me? Can you?
Yeah. So अभी मैंने जो बोला gender sensitization वही है.
Same thing.
That sometimes both the genders they antagonize. The whole thing is designed in such a way that they antagonize each other at times, and it may be
It was an educational program.
yeah, this Abhin, which I told you, that is the gender sensitization program. That gender specific crime, yeah, for how we can make workplaces, educational places, schools, colleges safe for both the genders.
The genders, yeah. Equal opportunities and equal opportunities, yeah.
Equal respect, equal क्या बोलेंगे उसको,
Same encourage, yeah, same zone for
Yeah.
everybody.
yeah.
Yeah, and your birthday prakriya, that was also a challenge.
Even Maharashtra Police had declared a mega bharti, which is requirement of police constables. And we had two challenges, which was to do, one was to do it on such a massive scale. तो वो एक अपने आप में अलग सा experience था, because for other law and order situations वो थोड़ी spontaneous बन जाती है. So we have to spontaneously address those issues by taking things in our hands. But such kind of recruitments, it's a lesson in प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट या फिर क्राउड मैनेजमेंट, ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट, माइन्यूट प्लानिंग. और मेरे दिमाग में जो है वो मेरे सब बंदों को भी पता होना चाहिए व्हाट शी वांट्स, व्हाट शी एक्सपेक्ट्स फ्रॉम मी. तो योर कम्युनिकेशन हैज टू बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर विथ योर फेलोज. दे शुड फील approach that you are always there. No, madam is always approachable. I can always call her, ask her. So these things are, so I have an
good policy, like
yeah,
kind of.
we have to keep
Yeah,
and not just for our people but for the public also.
Public also, yeah. And like, how do you find technology assisting you in your service?
Yeah, so now we have the system of online registration of FIRs.
Yeah.
A lot of our data is stored online. Lot of our most of our investigation papers are made on computers. A lot of our panchnamas are video recorded. या तो फिर now there is a project undergoing wherein all the police stations and the judiciary are going to be connected online in a mega super way. So transfer of cases या फिर the coordination between the police and the judiciary or the forensics is going to be definitely easier in coming days.
Yeah.
We have dedicated forensic teams. Some of them specialize in digital forensics. Some of them specialize in, there's so many different types that are required in investigation.
Fair.
So, yeah.
So, being a woman and in police service, how much comfortable or like I could say, what is your role, responsibilities, and like kind of how much comfortable are you delivering your work?
Very, very, very much so. Now it's been 12, 13 years of service.
Yeah.
And I grew up in Mumbai. So we we have less hindrances in our minds sometimes, I think. And I always saw my father working in this field. So a lot of my working style is based off of my father's working style, wherein you have a lot of rapport with the people that you work with. You're always approachable. You always want to try to find solution, make a good team. तो उस तरीके से. And I think a leader truly, जैसे हमने अभी प्रोग्राम में कहा, you try to make everybody give their best.
आपका contribution बहुत huge रहता है. When you come to a
responsibility, should feel good about their work.
Yeah.
मतलब छोटा सा छोटा भी काम हो, that person should feel proud of their work, good about that work, and that is a leader's responsibility to make them feel so and create a safe working environment also.
Hey,
so deliver, yeah, because use of positivity shouldn't take away from your results. What matters at the end of the day is your delivery, right?
Yeah. So, if you don't mind, would you like to talk about like whether if at all you transferred somewhere other than Maharashtra? Would you like to continue with the job? Like kind of any transfers, are you acceptable to it?
I think we have one life to live.
Yeah.
And if something, if my gut says that this is it, so I jump at that thing.
Yeah.
That's been my nature since childhood. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So it was great talking to you. I had taken a lot of time of yours, and I would like to wind up here. And I
Thank
think
you.
this much of talk has given a lot of insights in the field of public service commission for a woman, especially. So thank you, Mokshada.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot talking to us on Krishna
Thank you. It
Talk.
was a pleasure. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you.